Hello dear viewers, today we will talk about one of the world's most famous cities, New York. This city is a global financial, cultural, and trade center, the largest city in the United States, and also the most populous metropolitan area. In this video, we will explore New York's notable symbols, tourist attractions, and historical sites. We will see important places like the Statue of Liberty, Central Park, Empire State Building, Times Square, and the Brooklyn Bridge. New York is a city visited by millions of tourists every year. It offers many options to its visitors with its rich culture, museums, theaters, restaurants, and shopping opportunities. Additionally, it is also famous for Broadway musicals, NBA games, and other events. New York has also been home to many famous films and TV series. It has appeared in many productions such as Friends, Seinfeld, Gossip Girl, Spider-Man, and Ghostbusters. In conclusion, New York is a globally recognized city and one of the favorite destinations for tourists. There are many things to do in this city, but we tried to show the most popular places in this video. We hope this video has inspired you and serves as a guide for those